We're really excited to launch John Deere Operations Centre Pro Service to our Australian and New Zealand customers. John Deere Operations Centre Pro Service builds on our existing suite of digital tools such as Operations Centre and Equipment Mobile by enabling more advanced actions such as diagnostics, software updates, recording data while a machine is in use, as well as interactive tests and calibrations. It's effectively a full suite of professional diagnostic tools that's going to allow them to choose how they maintain and repair their equipment.
So to me, the customer benefits for John Deere Operations Centre Pro Service boils down to two simple things: choice and timeliness. With choice, we give the customer the choice on who they want to repair, diagnose, maintain and optimise their equipment. And then timeliness. We understand when the pressure's on to harvest that last hectare or finish that job site or get that golf course ready for the upcoming tournament. Timeliness is so important. If that machine has a fault, you want to quickly respond to that, diagnose, understand what it is, fault find, see if you can quickly put a repair into place and get that machine up and running. So to put it simply, John Deere Operations Centre Pro Service moves customers from just monitoring their equipment to actively maintaining, diagnosing and optimising their equipment in their operation.
John Deere Operations Centre Pro Service is a licence-based service that can be purchased through your local John Deere dealer. Once you've logged in, all you need to do is add the PIN or serial number details for each of your equipment, and all of the services within Operations Centre Pro Service will be automatically there ready to use. So it's simple to get set up and there's no need to learn a new system or go through a complicated setup process.
There's two ways to connect for John Deere Operations Centre Pro Service. If your machine's remotely capable, you can log in remotely and pull tribal codes, push software. And if you need to do more advanced diagnostics, or if your machine's not remotely enabled, you'd head out to the paddock, plug in your electronic data link or EDL, and you could do all those tests, more diagnostics, push software via a cable connection.
John Deere Operations Centre Pro Service is an annual licence-based service with 3 different licence types depending on your operations needs.
Firstly, the individual machine licence. The second is an organisation-based licence geared towards those larger farms, construction fleets or golf courses. And the final licence is a Pro Service Service Business licence, and that's geared towards those independent mechanics or technicians who need technician-capable repair, maintenance and diagnostic tools to support their customers.
To learn more about how you can run it your way with John Deere Operations Centre Pro Service, check out our website or speak to your local John Deere dealer.